Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Shraddha. Today I will talk about drag and drop function. So how we can drag and drop one. Let me show you and then explain you. So this is a drag and drop. This website I'm gonna test today. testautomationpractice.blogspot.com, and you can see here, drag me to my target, drop here. So this is the source element. This source element I'm gonna place on the target element. So this is a source element and this is called the target element. So I want to drag this box to this bigger box, inside this bigger box. So means source element I want to drag and drop in target element. So this is I'm gonna test today, and let me quickly open my Visual Studio and create one file. So I'm gonna give the name here, drag and drop spec file, spec.js. This is a file name, drag and drop.spec.js. Enter. You can see some text here. Enter. It will completely gone and you will start to writing the script. So first we need to write the require method. So if you haven't watched my previous video, please go ahead and watch it, because I have already explained what is a required method, how we can import the packages, how we can write the test block. Everything I have explained in detail there. So please go and watch. Just I'm giving you a little bit idea here. So now write the let me write the quickly some scripts. So test expectment function I have to write here, and it should be in curly braces and always be const, and write here the require method, and I'm going to import the packages, and after that write the test block. Here I'm giving module name, suppose drag and drop, drag and drop. You can give any name of the module. I'm just giving for my convenient drag and drop, so it would be easy for me to understand what is my module name. And you can give any XYZ ABC, but I would recommend to always give the meaningful name, so it would be easy for you. And after that async keyword, and write the page picture. I have already explained what is a page picture and how we can get the page picture. Always decorate with a curly bracket whenever you write the page picture. And here I'm just writing the anonymous function. So what anonymous function is like arrow, that is called the anonymous function, and curly braces. So this is start the test block, and after that provide the URL of the application which we want to launch it or navigate. So let me go and quickly capture the URL of the application, Control C, and come back in the Visual Studio Code and write here Control V, and it should be always decorated with the await keyword. So this is the website I want to launch it. And after that what we need to do, let me go in the site, and I want to drag this source element to the target element. So first we need to do what? Yes, correct. We need to find the locator of this source element. So right click, and you can see here this is the, if I put my cursor here, you can see the blue color. That means it's selected. It is the correct one. So I can see here this is a div, ID is draggable, class is this. So let me quickly select the ID, because if you have ID, that means it's unique. So what we need to do here, first we will write the page locator, page.locator, and provide the locator here. So this is ID, we write in the hash and provide the ID, and it should be always write with the await. And now we will write the variable. So this draggable locator we need to store in the variable. So here I'm just giving the name of variable. Suppose I'm giving the source place. So this is a source place. So whatever the locator we found, this locator will store in this variable, and it should be const. And now the second requirement is, if we drag this source element, it should be go here and placed, means to target element. We have to drag here and drop in this target element. So now the next requirement is find the locator of this target element. Right click, inspect, and you can see if I select this ID div, you can see here a dropped box. It's showing the blue color, I mean it's highlighted, I would say, and ID is droppable. So now I'm going to select the ID, Control C. Similarly we have to write, and same we need to copy, Control C, and paste it here. Just change the locator. So locator is Control Z, and again we need to select the locator, Control C, and Visual Studio. Now paste it here, and this is the, suppose, so page dot locator, and just provide the locator here, and this locator will store in this variable. So I have to change the name of the variable, because the same variable name would be not work here. So this is the source place locator, we found it, and this one is a target element. So we found the both of locator, and after that what we need to do? Yes, so we have to write the await, and page, not page, we have a source place, I mean variable name. So we will take the variable name here, dot hover method, and again we need to take the await and page dot mouse, because we are drag the mouse and drop the target element. So page dot mouse dot down. We use the down method. So means these two lines I have to explain again. First, we found the locator of these two elements. This one is a source element and this is the target element. So here we found the locator and store in the variable. So this variable is source place, I just gave the name, and this variable is a target place. After that, because we want to, our requirement is like this source element we need to drop in this target element, right? So first we are using the mouse hover method, and after that we have to down here to here. So with the help of mouse, so here I'm using the down method. After that, what we need to do, we will use this target place, means to this variable. So let me write await target place, variable dot hover method, and once we will select or drag this box to this one, like a target element or target box. So what we need to do here, we will use the await keyword, and after that page dot mouse, because we are using the mouse. With the help of mouse we are dragging and dropping, right? So mouse dot, and here we are dropping, drag to drop. So we'll use here up method, and just write the wait or wait for timeout, suppose 5000 millisecond, and so now I'm going to save it, and after that in this terminal just provide the command npx playwright test, and provide the file name. You can see here the file name drag and drop .spec.js. The similar or the same file name we need to provide the name here, drag and drop, D is capital, so caps here, drag and drop. You need to careful whenever you give that file name, because sometime might be mistake happen. Space, I want to see in the headed mode, so provide the headed, and space, I want to see only in the Chromium browser, so I'm just provide the browser name here. So npx playwright test this folder, under this folder this file, drag and let me double check, drag and drop .spec.js, and now looks good. Okay, enter. Okay, running, and you can see here it's dropped. Source element drop to the target element. So if you want to check the report, you can use this command in the terminal, Control C and paste it here, Control V, enter. Sometime put error, yeah. So So we need to provide the different port number. Let me give the Control C and here paste it. It's not working. Let me npx playwright show hyphen. Let me see sometime. Okay, show hyphen report space hyphen port is equal to 3000 and enter. Let's see, it should be show the okay. So you can see here past 1, all 1, fill 0, flecky 0 and skip 0. So if you want to see the test steps, you can click on that, and here you can see the Chromium, because I just gave the Chromium browser. If you want to see in the WebKit or Firefox, you can provide the name of that browser, and you can see here test steps. Navigate to this website and hover locator is this, mouse down, hover locator, mouse up, everything you can see here. So in this way you can test this drag and drop function in any application and provide the locator and mouse over. So this is the first approach. So here first we need to provide the locator of the source element to the target element and mouse over, then down method, up method. We need to use the second approach, so which is very simple and easy. One line of script we need to write. So this is the first approach. If you want to use this first approach, you can go ahead and use it. I want to show you the second approach. Let me approach number second. So it's a one line of code, just one line. What we need to do, so this drag and drop, you have multiple lines of code, like what you need to do, where is the source, everything we have to just give that. So here we need to only write the await keyword, provide the this variable which is a source element, I would say, just variable name, Control V, and dot where we want to drag. So we use the drag method and provide the target element. So just provide this variable, and this is done. Not the source, it should be target, Control C, and here we need to provide the target, and here we write the target. Okay, it's only one line of code. Here this line is saying like I want to drag this element, like source element, to the target element. That's it. This is very simple. And let me execute. Control S or save the file. Here you can, or click on this file, you can save. Let me open the new terminal and provide the command npx playwright test, provide the give the drag and drop dot spec.js, and I want to see in the headed mode, so hyphen space headed, and after that space I want to see in the same Chromium. If you want to see in any other browser, you can go ahead and just write the WebKit or Firefox, and it's done. npx playwright test drag, let me double check, drag and drop dot spec.js. okay, now it looks good. Enter. You can see it's drop to their target element. So I have showed you the two approaches. Whichever you want to like it or easy for you, you can go ahead with that. So I hope you like my video. Please like, share and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will get the latest video. Thank you for your support. Please keep support me, and if you subscribe or like my video, I will select the winner name and I will announce on my channel. Thank you.